Hi, Sophie Shield from Sotheby's International Realty, New Zealand. A phenomenal family home on an elevated site only minutes from the Waipawa township. Captivating views north across a neighbouring lake and rolling rural countryside. There is plenty of room for the chooks, sheep or ponies, yet is a perfect size without the weekend work, so you can sit back and enjoy the privacy this ultimate lifestyle block has to offer. The remodelled home could be mistaken for a brand new home with all the modern features of new carpet, quality fixtures and fittings, and all new double-glazed aluminium joinery and fully insulated. The light-filled open kitchen, dining and family living is north-facing and flows outdoors to the excellent entertaining area. An inviting space that is sure to play host to numerous barbecues and social gatherings with family and friends. All 4 bedrooms are double in size, the master suite with large double wardrobes and storage, an excellent luxurious ensuite bathroom and access to the wraparound deck. This is all within 10 minutes to Otani and Waipawa, 25 minutes from Havelock North and Hastings, and plenty of local schools only a short drive away. This is the ideal rural location.